What if I told you? Your biggest enemy isn't other people. It's the small habits you repeat every single day. They're so normal that you don't even notice them. But slowly, they're stealing your happiness, your confidence, and your success. Let's fix them. Number 1, overthinking. Your brain keeps replaying the same conversation. What if I said this? What if they think that? Hours of thinking, zero problems solved. Instead of living in your head, grab a notebook. Write the problem down once. Find one solution, then move on. Thinking more doesn't always mean thinking better. Number 2, negative self-talk. Listen carefully to the voice inside your head. If you keep saying, "I'm lazy, I'm not smart enough, I'll never succeed," your brain starts believing it. Here's a simple question. Would you let someone else speak to you that way? If the answer is no, don't let yourself do it either. Number 3, constant phone checking. Every notification steals your attention. Every scroll breaks your focus. You're not taking a small break. You're training your brain to get distracted. Here's a challenge. When you're working, leave your phone in another room. You'll be surprised how much more you accomplish. Number 4, people pleasing. You say yes because you don't want to disappoint anyone. But every unnecessary yes becomes a no to your own goals. Remember this. Setting boundaries isn't selfish. It's self-respect. Number 5, ignoring rest. Many people think sleeping less means working harder. It doesn't. An exhausted brain makes poor decisions. Poor decisions create poor results. Rest isn't wasting time. It's preparing to perform better tomorrow. Success isn't always about adding new habits. Sometimes, it's about removing the ones holding you back. Because of small habits, repeated every day, create a completely different life.